Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. Here's a quick video on how I installed my wig. It is very beginner friendly, minimal plucking, and yeah, so if you want to know how I achieved that look, just keep watching.
Sin ti no me va bien, tampoco me va mal. Pase lo que pase, no te voy a llamar. Ya yo me quité, nunca me va a amar. Pa' no pensar en ti, tengo que fumar. Sin ti no me va bien, tampoco me va mal. Pase lo que pase, no te voy a llamar. Ya yo me quité, nunca me va a amar. Pa' no pensar en ti, tengo que fumar. Que se volvió un delirio. Mi alma está en guerra, está renocidio. Las botellas de vino terminan en vídeo. Y tu putinga en verdad que te envío. Pero nada, tú vas a extrañarme cuando en la cartera y no tengas nada. Cuando él te lo meta y no sientas nada. Cuando te sientas sola, perdida en la nada.
Alright, y'all. Lovers, this is the end result. This is how I'm gonna wear my hair for this coming week, but I'm more so ready for New Year's, and when New Year's get here, I'm definitely gonna add some like I want to do that with color. Oh, ash blonde. I'm gonna add some ash blonde bundles to this wig, and go from there, so that way I can have that look. But this is just for now, guys. I also did add layers in that. I did that off camera, just to make it, you know, the curls look a little bit more. I just want like a light, not even a curl, like a light kind of wave going on. Just because like I feel like this shirt is so laid back. I'm kind of like, I wanted to be able to. So yes, lovers, this is the end of this video. I did not pluck this wig at all. I think once I this week, the end of this week, when I take it off and redo it, I'm gonna, and you know, do all that little extra stuff. Okay, lovers, so this is the end of the video. As always, thanks for coming. See y'all in the next one.